What is a superhuman? What qualifies someone as superhuman? When we think about this word, our mind guides immediately towards fictional characters like Superman and Batman. But here, superhuman constitutes as your higher self, your transcendental self. We all have a human self and a spiritual self, meaning we are spiritual beings living a human existence. If we tap into this highest potential, that is where we gain wisdom, we are centered, and we lead a very fulfilling and successful life. In this book, Embrace the Superhuman, author Arfat Khan gets down to the basics on how our conscious mind operates, either on polarity consciousness or duality consciousness. Duality consciousness being your rational and decision-making part of the mind, and it also holds the imprints made on the subconscious based on our past memories, whereas our polarity consciousness is our intuitive mind. Our subconscious mind is divided into 4 parts: intellect, identity, memory, and intuition. When you dissolve the first 3, that is when you transcend into your polarity consciousness. That is where the magic lies. It's your higher self, your creative state of being. In the second part of the book, author throws light onto the most talked about subjects in the scientific and mystical arena, that is the law of attraction and manifestation. Here we get a detailed emphasis on how the law of attraction works on the principles of quantum science, and it is here that we comprehend how a single thought holds power to create a huge shift in our lives. Creation of thought is like an electrical impulse which triggers the release of chemicals into our gut, which is our feeling, and our heart, being a powerful source of electromagnetic energy, magnetizes this and converts matter from the non-physical into physical. It is here that we understand why healing our subconscious mind plays a major role in our manifestations. Due to our past memories, our subconscious mind is hardwired into a complex set of neurological patterns, and this is where it becomes difficult to break it. It is here in the book that we are introduced to neuro-linguistic programming, that is NLP, and why it holds so much value. The author introduces us to various techniques of NLP and how neuro-linguistic programming works to rewire your subconscious mind. In the concluding part of the book, the author lays emphasis on the benefits of meditation and how it acts as a powerful tool for your manifestation. He devises a step-by-step guide on how to script your meditations for manifestation. The author beautifully uncovers the secrets on how our hidden mind influences the things we bring about in our lives in a scientific way. Well, this book is highly recommended for those who are in the journey of growth, self-transformation, and the ones who are embracing spirituality. I highly recommend this book.